Hi guys, today I thought I'd show you my art planner. Now, I don't have a book like everybody else uses. I don't do, where I write everything down and ticky box things off and change it, because I do a lot of changing in my planning, and if I used pen and paper, most of everything would be scribbled out. I have little side notes. It would be an unholy mess. So I don't do that. What I do is I use Google Sheets. It's an online thing that you can get from Google, totally free. I've been using them for years for different stuff. And so that's what I do. I call my art planner an art planner. Duh. Okay, so what you can see here, I have it listed as my current projects, my projected projects, and my completed projects. And as I finish them, I hide them and they go away, so I don't have great big blobs of lines. Now, once something is done, I highlight it in a gray, which you can do up here. I select those ones that are completed, right click, cut, go down to my completed projects, left click to select, right click, and paste. And there they are. I currently have something like 150 pages or lines of completed things, so that's pretty cool. One of my projected projects still hasn't gotten done. We're into September, and I planned to do this 2 months ago. Still not done. Alright, so this is the one I'm doing right now, and I am recording it. I've given myself a little reminder that it needs to be recorded, and this is the one I'm going to be doing next. So those are my projects, and on another tab I have a calendar, which is where I list the things as they are in my YouTube channel and going live. I schedule out quite a bit. This is September here. This one, as you can see, has been grayed out, so this just happened. In fact, today is the 17th. It just went live. I have my little color codes up here so that I know if something needs to be uploaded, new version, unlisted, needs uploading, whatever. See, these I always schedule in even though I haven't done them yet, and they are to do. And that's what I have for that. I have another tab for challenges. My scavenger hunt is done. Where am I? That shouldn't be green. With my coloring checklist for the year, I will probably make it. There was 56 things in the list, at least that I saw. I only have 17 more to go, so I've done 39 of them. So almost done with that puppy. This is another thing, my 10 essentials. I've got my list. Oops, I'm going to have to blank that out. What a spoiler that would be. The Sassy Coloring Freakout tag, I've been meaning to do it, and I can do it. I just keep forgetting. Sunken Treasure, I don't think there's any way I'm going to be able to do that one. And like I said, this one is done. Then I also have a list of every pencil that I've bought, and I give it a designation: great, good, meh, ugly, and don't know. So I know what it is, where I got it, and if it's any good. And if I did, if it's arrived or if I'm still waiting for it. So I have it if I'm still waiting for it, if it's arrived. In fact, these have arrived. They came yesterday, so those are there. And they are new. So, got good fun stuff coming up with that. Do the same thing with my coloring books. And supplies. So I have a list of every single thing I have. This is what I've done this month so far. Six pictures. We're about halfway through the month, so I should have a good month if I don't really mess it up. But that's it. That is my planner. Now I can change things. I can move things around. I can add, delete, and it's still legible for me. I can still understand it. No scratching out, no scribbles, no bad handwriting. And that's pretty much it. That is my art planner. So, thought I'd share that with you. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.